This is day 2 of me recording a video and then posting it uncut after talking for about just a minute straight. I thought the most uncomfortable part was going to be the act of actually recording the video and trying to be face to face with the camera, but it turns out that clicking post is way harder, and I had this bit of paralysis. I think that it's really funny. I heard this quote once that the fear that lives in your mind is far worse than the situation that actually exists. And you start to think of, what are people gonna think? What are people gonna say? What are my friends gonna think? And I guess that feeling of being uncomfortable is how you know you're doing something that's worth it, or maybe not, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna do this for 10 days and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get a little more comfortable posting and recording. Stay tuned.